Hello besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here to teach you how you can earn $60 reviewing books online. So $60 is for reviewing one book, and I'll be taking you just an estimate of how much can you earn on this website. Okay, so let's go through this. So you have a chance to win $20 giveaway daily. This is by you being active on their website. Then you have free books of reviews. So you will be given the first book to review for free. So this can be like a short book, but they have to see how do you do the job so that they're also able to understand how you'll be doing that, or for you to understand how you'll be able to do the reviews, right? Because maybe you've not done a book review before in your life, and this first book is what helps them guide you in how you're going to be doing the reviews. So just a tip, when I got on this website, I think I got on this website in 2021. I'll be showing you my account. And when I got on this website, I was given the first book. My first free book was actually paid, but for some instances you might not be paid the first book, but it's not a big volume in terms of the words that you have to review. It can be like a kid's book that you have to review, and that can take you like even at most 30 minutes to just read through. Okay, the owner of this website, or I want to say the manager of this website, sometimes reaches out to you and says that maybe they'll guide you on how you leave reviews on the website and so on. So we'll be getting that in a few minutes, so just let's go on. So you have links and information of new members, so I'll be able to show you that in my account. Then you have to book review request, so you have to send a request to be a book reviewer so that they're able to accept you, and so that now you'll be put on the, I want to say, on the group of the reviewers in their website. Yes, then you have most popular topics, the topics that people reviewing more. So let's jump in. So this is my account. I'll be taking you through my account, but for now I want to show you just what do you get from this website. You can see get paid to review books completely free, so you don't have to pay for a book for you to review it. It's given to you for free. Your work is just to go read through the book and just give an honest review. So you can see they're promising you that this is not a billion of dollars, I want to say quick earn money. You have to put in the work for you to earn on this website. And I told you guys, some of these books they're not such a big volume, and depending on the volume of the book that you're given, also the pay goes up. So you can be given like 100,000 words, and for you just to be paid $5, that means the pay goes up. Okay, and it also doesn't mean that if you're given a less words book, then you'll be paid, like there is no pay below $5. So that's the best thing about that. So no matter how many words you're given, even if it's like a kid's book, you know that you'll be getting $5 and above. Okay, so but for beginners on this website, you're kind of given the small books, or I want to say the basic books, for you to just like get an understanding of what you're doing. And once you're able to do that, then you keep upgrading the level up to where you hit $60 per one book review. Now how amazing is that, guys? Okay, so you can see the range of payouts is $5 to $60. Now for this website, they pay you through PayPal. I'm sorry, my Nigerian besties, I know you guys have been asking me to get you some website that can pay you other than through PayPal. I'll be dropping that video within this week, so be on the lookout for that. Or if not this week, it's next week, because I've had several requests, so I have to put you all guys in mind. So they pay you through PayPal, but there was a request from some of the reviewers that they wanted to be paid through other means like Pioneer and all that. But this platform was able to reply to them, and they told them that they were looking into that, but at the moment they were just going to pay through PayPal. For them to consider other platforms, it will take some time for them to do that. So maybe they will be opening that to other platforms, but as of now they're paying through PayPal. Okay, so maybe you could check and maybe you could see, because this was replied to when I was still like new on this platform. That was in 2022. I tried checking for information on whether they were able to like add other platforms, but I was not able to do that. I did send a message to kind of just like get an understanding of that. Once they're able to get to me, I'll update this video on the description, but as of now you can check. The best way we can know is for you to go ahead and check whether they'll be able to pay you. Okay, so moving on, so you'll be able to also get as I said, there's free daily $20 giveaway, there's Twitter rewards dashboard, and then there's reviewer team page. Also, you're also paid to review the team's page. Okay, so how do you do that? So I'll be showing you some of the books that these guys are sending, or just like others like requests. So you can see for like this book, they have 1,000 words for review. So imagine you like, this is not 1,000 pages, this is 1,000 words. So this is a book that doesn't even like exceed, I want to say, like 5 pages, and once you're able to review such a book, you're given $5. How easy is that, guys? So remember, you have to read this book. You can just like go check some online reviews and drop them. You have to give an honest review. It doesn't have to be a positive review, it has to be a genuine review from you. Okay, then there's this other book. You can see this is over 150,000 words. So this is a larger volume of book, and this they're going to pay you more depending on the words also on the book. Okay, so as you go up on the reviewer level on this website, you get to earn more money. So I'll be showing you just how much can you do that. Okay, so how do you sign up on this website? You just go on browser or on your phone, whichever, if you're using Chrome, whatever your search engine you're searching, just search online book club, sign up. Okay, so because I already have an account, I'll just do that, and then when you come and click here, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to sign up for free. So you're not paying to sign up on this website, everything is for free. So you'll enter your email. Once you submit that, then you'll be prompted to create an account. Once you create an account, you'll be able to create a password for your account. This is my account. So you can see I joined in 2021 on this account. So I've been busy, so I want to tell you guys that I was able to be taken off the reviewers list on this website. I'll be getting back, but the issue is I started reviewing a book and then school got so crazy for me that I forgot to get back and finish that, but I'll be appealing for that. So when you get on this website, you want to keep up with the books that you've requested to review. Also, another thing you have to be cautious of, when you get on this website, some of the books are available to people in the US, in the UK, mostly in Europe. So even in Africa or in another continent that is not in that, what you want to do is put your location as US or UK. That will enable you to have access on Amazon, because most of the books are on Amazon. You have to put your location as US. This will give you an easier time every time you send a book review request, so that you're able to just access that book on Amazon. If that's not the case, team always sends you a prompt. Can you change your location on your profile so that you're able to access those books? Since you'll be getting on this website for the first time, I don't want you to go through the same mistakes that I did by putting a location of my country, because it's made me miss out on some of the books that I was supposed to review. Again, you don't need a VPN to be able to put your location as US or UK. You don't need that. Let me know, guys, how you're liking this so far, because I can tell you there are good perks on this, but remember, you have to put in the work for you to earn on this website. Hope you guys are benefiting from my video. If there's something that you need me to improve on in terms of how I do my videos, in terms of how I present my information, because I have been receiving some complaints that some of the videos were not like clear, or maybe some guys are not able to follow through. I've been trying to do the most today in terms of ensuring that I present this information on the best way possible. So if there is an improvement on this, let me know. If you need me to still improve on something else, please do let me know. So until my next video, guys, I'll see you soon. So bye bye.